Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we'll be making creamy yummy sweet almond milk. This tasted so good, guys, and this is packed with so many nutrients. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And to start, first you need a bowl. Get one clean bowl. Then you need almond nuts. This is the one I'll be using. This is it. It's dried almond nuts. Okay, so I'll go ahead and transfer it into the bowl. Then once that is done, I will go ahead and add 1 cup of warm water to it. The water has to be hot, but not so hot. After that, this is to help peel off the skin. So after that, I will let it stay for 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. So now I can start peeling off the skin. As I rub the almond nut, as you can see, the skin is peeling off. Okay, this is the easiest way to peel off the skin of almond nuts. Okay guys, so this is what I'll continue to do as to get rid of the skin, right? So that is it, guys. If you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button so you can join the family. Okay, and thank you as you do that. So right now I'll go ahead and sieve out the peels, what I peeled off. So this is after sieving it out. This is what I have. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and get your coconut. You will be needing coconut. Okay, before adding the coconut, you go ahead and peel off the skin. Take out this brown part of the coconut. Use your knife to take it out, okay, before blending it, right? So that is it. So now I'm done. The next thing to do is to get your blender. Transfer everything into the blender, but before doing that, I'll go ahead and cut this coconut into small pieces. So once this is done, the next thing to add is your date. Get a date. Add as much as you want, depending on how sweet you want it to be. So this is the quantity I'll be adding. I don't want it to taste so sweet. Okay, go ahead and take out the seeds in the date before adding it. So after adding the date, you go ahead and add warm water. Okay, so after adding the water, you cover the blender and blend until smooth. So this is after blending it. This is what we'll have. I ended up adding more water to it while blending it. Okay, so if you want it to be so thick, maybe you add little water. If you want it to be a kind of creamy but not so thick, then you add more water. All right, so after that, I'll transfer into this cheesecloth. Then I'll extract the yummy milk. Yes. Oh god, I can't wait to test it. This tastes so good. After taking this drink, guys, this would be your everyday drink. Believe me, it tastes so good. You will be making this every day if you try it. So now I will extract the milk. Are you even seeing the way it's looking? So that's it. Extract the milk, and once that is done, this is what we have, and this is the chaff. I don't know what I would do with this chaff. I don't know. Maybe I'll just throw it away. So this is what I will have. The next thing now is to transfer this goodness turn it to make sure that nothing settles at the bottom. Then you transfer it into a clean bottle. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is how you can make a very tasty creamy almond milk, right? This tasted so good, guys. I'm not even kidding you. So after transferring it into the bottle, you cover it, put in the fridge. It tastes so nice when it's chilled. Yes, let it chill before you drink it. Okay, so now this is about 2 hours or so out from the fridge. Now I'll add it into this glass, then I will enjoy myself. Yes, guys, please, if you enjoyed watching this video, just give me a thumbs up right now before you forget. Please do that. So this is me, this is me testing this goodness, and let me tell you guys, this tasted so yummy. Oh my word. Please like. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.